Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the 24 hours format of the time into 12 hours only. So basically in a day we have 24 hours, right? And it will be like to type how to display it. There will be the 24 hours format, which is it will be stopped whenever it faces 24. But then if you change the format into 12, so the time will be stopped displaying at 12 and it will be back into 1 instead rather than 13. So here you can see that the format that I use is 24 and I would like to change it into 12 hours only. So how to do that, you just need to go click settings and you just need to like scrolling down until you found this general sections. Just go click it and now you just need to scrolling down again until you found date and time. Whenever you found this date and time, you just need to turn off this 24 hours time and please take a look and focus on this side, guys. And it's changed from 16 to 4. So you're done. Now you already got this 12 hours format for your time display. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So I hope we can like meet for another video on this channel. Please don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel. And let's see for the next video.